This Six Flags amusement park in New Orleans has stood empty since Hurricane Katrina, never reopening after levees failed, flooding the city in 2005.
It was a development that generated revenue for the city. It was a development that created jobs for our young people. It was a development that brought families from all over the country.
But the roller coaster and Big Easy Ferris wheel stand motionless. The park overrun with swamp animals and weeds. Tourists stopping only to take pictures.
It's just, wow. It's almost overwhelming and just sad. No other words that really come to mind.
But as the 14th anniversary of Katrina approaches, the park may finally be coming down. Mayor LaToya Cantrell says her office is targeting the site for demolition. Neighbors like Almarie Carter say it's about time.
Give us a brand new scene. Give us something new to look at. Give us something nice and beautiful and inviting.
A recent analysis estimates it would cost about $1.3 million to demolish the rides and infrastructure. And even then, it's not clear what, if anything, would go in its place. Another decision that's going to require more time. Stacey Plaisance, Associated Press.